tayo ay mag-unbox ng Kinder Joy. So, ayan guys. Guys, nasa taas ako ng Hilux namin. Yan. So, let's unbox it. So, like and subscribe muna kayo guys habang pakita ko sa inyo. So, let's go. Ang hirap talaga ng pag 100. 100 pala. So guys, nakabili lang kami kaya may kotse sa amin. So guys, with my sibling! So guys, ina-unbox na natin siya. Pabukas nga. Okay. He is unboxing it. He is opening it. Things?
Para mag-o-open.
No. Ano, akin yung spoon. Let's get... akin yung pagkain, ha? Hindi ko to gusto tong ano. Ano, akin na yun.
Pakanin ko yung isa.
Spoon.
Hati tayo.
Yung spoon. Yung spoon, ha? Yung spoon. So, guys, let's first see, guys.
Kaliri, pinatong sa gubok yung... Yak.
So, guys, let's unbox the... Ooh! Who's that? Ay! Yung twin. Twin ba to? Hindi pala. Pieces lang pala. So, my kuya is making it. Alien. It's something like alien. Para siyang squid. With, it's like a squid alien. Hell. Nasaan na to? Yun. Oh. Great things comes great responsibility. Tama ba yung ano ko? Patangin yung aso. So guys, my kuya is making it. It's like a bat. Is it a bat? What is in instruction? Ang ingay ng aso. So, kasi ingay ng aso. So, that's the instruction. Let's see. Okay, he flipped it. So, I think Kuya is right because he's always right. Di naman instruction. Okay guys,
Octopus alien.
Octo alien guys. So now guys, let's eat. Wait lang guys. Let's eat. Ooh. They look delicious. Look guys, oh look. It's yummy. Shadow. Let's smash it. Wait lang guys. Yan guys, papakita ko na lang guys sa inyo. Let's smash this, guys. Let's smash this. Di ko guys alam kung nakikita niya ba guys. Pero hopefully nakikita niyo ito guys. Kasi ito, isa lang yung nabili ko. Tebek lang. Tatapon. Ay, sauce. Yung ano. Yung parang ano, parang malambot, yung parang ano, itong white.
Wala kasing aircon doon sa kwarto.
Matatapon. Okay. So guys, as you can see, it is much. So let's mix the brown thing. Ay,
Pwede. Sige.
ano pala. So yan guys. Let's tapon. Yan. So let's mix it. So guys, it's night. Okay. So guys, it's now brown. So let's eat it. Let's eat it now. Aso yun. Tama ba? Kung nakikita nyo guys, comment nyo na lang. That's good guys. Very good. Bye now. Wait lang. So guys, itong pang lalaki. Pag pink, pang babae. So, kung lalaki ka, blue. Kasi pag pink, bakla ka. Charot. Sorry. So, let's So, crunchy. So, crunchy guys, it's so yummy. Ano na kung hinalo mo, pag minix mo sila. Sarap. Kasi kung di nyo guys pala nakita. So, well, mag-side tayo guys. We're done guys. We're done. Okay. Nakalat. Laman na ba to? Wala. That's all guys. Wait. So guys, yung instruction pag nakuha nyo to. Ito na nga rin guys, nakalimutan ko guys kung anong tawag dito. Scan. Yan guys, pagkakabit niyo siya, tapos ilalagay dito. So, you have that. Okay, that's all guys. Like and subscribe. So, bye-bye. Comment na rin pala kayo. Tapos, subscribe kayo sa dati kong guys account, pero hindi siya nag-upload. Kasi nawala siya sa files ko, pero hindi siya na-delete. Oo. So, ang pangalan niya ay ATS. ATS ba yun? ATS Roblox. Tapos, ATS Roblox. Kasi ang nilalaro na yung Roblox. Wala akong Tapos, meron siya na guys 13 subscribers or 12 subscribers. Pero pag hindi nyo guys siya mahanap, pumunta kayo sa channels, makikita nyo, para siyang anime kasi wala akong maisip yung dati. Kasi mga dati pa yun. Okay. So, dati pa yung guys ng account na yun. So, subscribe mo na kayo guys sa account ng kuya ko. Pag pumunta ka sa channels, makikita nyo yung account niya. Pero wala siyang videos, pero may 20 subscribers. Oo. Kakainis. Bye-bye.